work for the University of California's Ag and Natural Resources at South Coast Research and Extension Center. We're working with our 4-H program here in Orange County to develop and install some low water use plants in our demonstration landscapes at South Coast Rec.
This 4-H project was completed in partnership with our Orange County Master Gardeners, bringing together the expertise of our trained volunteers and the landscape best management practices that have been developed through years of research.
We don't necessarily need to drop it. There is some chemistry happening there. It's holding these particles together in place. Careful. Clay that's in the soil. No, I don't know how much clay we'll see here.
Not a whole lot.
Kind of see the layers there. I tried to mark them. Possibly a little bit of silt.
The goal of this project was to teach the next generation of California residents how to select, install, and maintain a low water use landscape that can conserve and protect our urban water resources for years to come.